moving on to next topic, that is associative property. Again, this is also very commonly used in calculation in every parts of mathematics, be it algebra or arithmetic. So let us understand the meaning and with good examples. Meaning here, associative, what do you understand by associative? Means something which is related, or maybe it is grouped together, or maybe it is combined. So here in terms of property, when we change the grouping, it does not change the sum or the product of the question. Like if there are certain question in addition, then even if you change the grouping of the numbers, the answer is going to remain same, and same is the case with multiplication. For example, 5 plus, let's say 6 and 7, they are grouped together. What will you get? 18. Now let us change the grouping. Let us put this 5 and 6 together and 7 is separate. Again we are getting 18. Now when it comes to multiplication, let us see here what happens. 2 multiplied with, these are grouped together, 5 into 3. So what do we get here? 30. Now let's change the grouping. 2 into 3 and then multiplied with 5. Again it gives 30. So here what do you conclude? Any combination we are going to change by changing the grouping. Any combination that you get, you are going to have the same sum, and in case of multiplication you are going to get the same product even if you change the combination. Let us try this associative property in case of subtraction. 6 minus 4 minus 1. How much does it give? 1, because 6 minus 4 is 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Now look at this. Let us change the combination. We shall write it like this: 6 minus, and now in parenthesis is 4 minus 1. It is how much? This is 4 minus 1 is 3 and 6 minus 3 is 3. So we do not get the same answers. Now let's try with division. 12 divided by 2 divided by 2. So when we solve the parenthesis part, we get 1, and then 12 divided by 1 is 12. Now let's change the grouping. 12 divided by 2 and then divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and then 6 divided by 2 is 3. What happened? It did not again result into the same answer. So we can say that associative property, it is applicable only to the addition and the multiplication. By changing the grouping of and changing the order, it results into the same sum and the product.